guys, good morning. Welcome to Chris Vlog, and today's vlog, it's Marifel birthday. Yay! So outside, mom and all the family is preparing some food. So it's a simple celebration and all of the family is excited. Kushel is toothbrush. Logi no? Guys, for Marifel and with my cousin and my beautiful sister is helping to prepare. Wow. Hi. Hi.
Ayaw pakita mo na.
We just put a happy birthday on something, but now we have another idea for putting a decoration for a surprise birthday for Marifel. La 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 la. So as you can see, guys, all of the family is there and Marifel is there also. So we are here at the distance to prepare a simple gift, a simple presents and surprise for Marifel. I hope she will like it. Hi, my sister. So Kushel is a designer for today. Oh, seryoso Kushel. She's so serious. Sister, smile. Sister. Daan pa ka. So we put the food there and later we will surprise the gift, a present. We just joke here that she have a parcel coming. She's coming now. Mommy said this and she ordered Shopee. 1K. Nagtagpo na. I-deliver niya.
Ano rider? Nabot na, naka-blow.
Kasi ang may gadala ay.
Kato ay, gibutang niya dera ay. Huh? Adi ay, gibutang.
Dera, nalay ko na mga kanday.
Wala ay.
Waan ang wanda, ako'y gabayad ana.
Nilay mabayad na.
Ako'y gabayad ana. Nanawa na diya.
Ay, marag nadara ka. kabalo. Lagi yung kabalo na. Kabalo sana.
Brila lang, kuhaan na lang.
Nasubok nanay ni mo. Patagkar ko. Tuklo ka na tilbo. Mula nang naong ginagito.
Brila lang na, kuhaan na. Oh.
Parcel na mo ta, siyempre.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Ang lighter. Sige na, mga tatag. Happy birthday.
Ano ba?
Happy birthday to you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Wish siya, pag wish siya. Yay! Yay! Open.
I-recycle ni kay guwapa. Biya kaya na. Magamit ka na. Huwag na pakisa from Australia! Happy from Australia!
Oh, mag-thank you ka. Thank you. Okay, gina. Parang yun lang gina.
Jacket ka na.
Happy birthday!
Yung 6 day eh.
Tita.
Happy birthday!
Camera action!
Ang bato! Ang corona! Ipasa! Yay! Our beauty queen!
Our beauty quiz.
Miss Purok
Happy
Uno.
birthday and
Miss
good luck on your
Candidate
Miss
Purok Uno.
Bulan.
Miss Bulan.
Wish you all the best.
ang number 1. Yeah.
Good luck.
Basta number 1. Purok Uno. Kaya.
Yeah. Some of the visitors is already here. So we are bringing the food, and as you remember, the car is there. With our lovely Maricel. Hi! Birthday, happy birthday! What you will say?
Thank you.
Wow. Pretty, oh. Easy food. She's so happy with her surprise gift. Also. Go, yan na. Go. Go. Na. Ako na. Yan na, mag-picture sa ta dito. Yay! We have a lot of visitors. They are giving the pictures. Yun na, mag-picture. Sana ay napunog lumot. This is the food we have. We have the corn grits, coke, pork adobo. We have some pork. Say ko ano sa kon sinabaw? Pork soup, and we have some maha, kimbab, fish, and some cake, and some fish, spaghetti, and some of the guest is cleaning the, you can see the fish. Fish. That they're having fun. It's time to eat, guys.